Ladies and gentlemen, it is Plinko time! Get ready, everyone. Look at this. It is, without a doubt, one of the biggest scam apps going around, if not a direct copy of Plinko Masters. Plinko Time promises real-life money, everyone, to play their app, okay? So, real-life rewards, up to $1,000 apparently, you can actually win of real-life money. That is right, your finances apparently will go through the roof while playing Plinko Time. This is, without a doubt, the biggest joke scam I think I've seen, everyone, okay? Like, I can't believe Plinko apps are still allowed to be on the marketplace. They literally need, like Google needs, to put out some sort of algorithm where if you have Plinko in the title of your app, it just gets deleted straight away. Look at this. This is a direct copy of all the other Plinko games we've seen out there, guys. This is literally Plinko Masters, by the way. Now, this is an exact copy of Plinko Masters with another name. I'm so angry. I'm so mad, dude. Like, I can't get over it. I don't agree with this being on the Play Store. This is the biggest scam, bro. Like, Google, wake up. Seriously, dude. Like, I'll show you guys something right now. You ready? I want to show you something. This will prove to you all out there that this is an exact copy of Plinko Masters. Are you ready? $100 cash out minimum. You ready? Watch this. I want $6 PayPal money right now, by the way. There we go. I need 94 more coins to cash out $100 of PayPal money. Now, you tell me right now that this is an exact clone of Plinko Master. And apparently, if I collect 25 fruit, I'll get $1,000, which we know is an absolute joke. We know that's a joke. But the real kicker here, everyone, for Plinko Time is not the PayPal scam, it's the Amazon gift card scam. Are you ready for this? Now, for me to cash out an Amazon gift card, it doesn't even tell me how much, right? I need 50 million coins or tokens. Dude, 50 million, everyone. Unless I'm counting that wrong, I'm pretty sure it says 50 million. It closes out too fast before I can count it properly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, dude. No, I can't. I can't handle this. I can't handle this app anymore. I can't handle Plinko apps. Guys, I'm so angry. I'm so mad that Plinko Time even exists. Look, there's even a slot machine at the top of the screen here. Here's the casino element. Will I get 777? Will I get the jackpot? Oh, jackpots! Woo! Dollar booster! What a joke. It's just a way for me to spend all my little Plinko pinballs here. So now I'm so close to having to watch an ad, by the way. It takes, what, 10 minutes to get one pinball? That is so pathetic. Plinko Time, I hope you get deleted off the App Store today. I hope that someone from Google somehow sees this video and deletes your pathetic, fake money-making app. Developer, if you're watching this, if you're watching my video, developer, you should be ashamed, dude, to try and scam people out of advertising money. Like, just for ad money. Get a life. Seriously, bro. What a muppet. I'm so devastated this exists, guys. Oh, wow. Obviously, I'll be showing the reviews on this video as I'm playing the app, so you guys know I'm not joking. This is what I love, okay? I love the fact that I get to show you guys real-life people's reviews. Not just, like, you know, made-up bought ones, 5-star bought reviews from that the developer pays someone in a jungle in Africa or China or Australia. Who knows? This developer pays people, okay? Let me just watch this video ad. I'm so mad. I'm so mad. Look at this. Most money-making apps only give users a few cents. Some users can't withdraw. Actually, let me listen to this. Listen to this, everyone. It's all broken English, of course. Everything's just broken English. I mean, no one cares. No one cares anymore. These money-making apps are all a scam. No, the developers don't care anymore. They're blatantly showing you scam apps, okay? Look at this. Farm and Family Solitaire. Yeah, dude. That's what I wanna try out. A solitaire app. I reckon I'm gonna try and play this app eventually on my channel, because I believe this is probably another huge scam. We'll get there eventually, don't you worry, but I just thought I had to show you all Plinko Time, everyone. Just yuck. Now I've got another 30 of the tokens here, or the little, I guess, pinballs. So we're almost up to $7 in real life currency, apparently, everyone. So we're going to be rich very soon, according to Plinko Time, aka Plinko Master. I'm heartbroken these apps exist. I really am. I've had some comments as well. I've said in previous comments, everyone, or videos, sorry. I've had some comments where people are like, you know, why are you upset? It's not like you're actually spending real life money to try the apps out. Well, the problem is, everyone, developers are actually building their apps on false advertising. You wouldn't play this garbage if you didn't think you were going to win real life money on it, would you? Who in their right mind would sit here and play an app like this if they didn't think they're going to win real life money? Like, that's the problem here. That's why I'm so frustrated, okay? It's just devastating how these apps can exist. And apparently I have 2 fruit out of 25 right now, which is interesting. Obviously, you're never going to win $1,000 from fruit, guys. Just an FYI, okay? That's the big Plinko scam. Now, I have to watch another ad here as well, anyway. Look at this. Spin to win a reward. Hyper Plinko. As if Hyper Plinko is still going. Dude, I'm so tempted just to get on Hyper Plinko and just cause trouble, legit. I've caused that app so much trouble in my videos, seriously. I'm thinking about doing another one, hey. I love the fact that I'm calling out Hyper Plinko for what it is, being a huge scam. It's just so frustrating. I don't know. I want to hear you guys' opinions in the comments. What do you think about these apps? All the Plinko apps, to me, are the biggest scams going around. Like, there's no ifs or buts about it. They're just a joke. It's just a joke, dude. Yeah, this is it. This is the whole app. It's literally Plinko Masters. There's no winning PayPal money in this, everyone. There's no winning real-life prizes. You're not going to up your finances. All you're going to do is waste your precious time. Guys, my channel is dedicated to saving you guys your time, okay? So please share my channel to your friends. I am pretty much the scam hunter at this point. I'm literally hunting down scams, okay? That's my job. I just want to get rid of these scam apps off the marketplace. I need to bring awareness that these things exist and that they're not real, okay? Now, if an app developer contacts me and proves to me that his app is not a scam, then I will not cover that app on my channel. But until then, and until I start seeing positive reviews on his app or her app, I will continually make videos on it until it's taken down or people stop playing it, okay? So, okay. Look at this. I don't understand. I just wanted to continue playing, but now it's just showing me another ad of Solitaire. Win cash fast on a Solitaire app. Dude, they're really hammering out the advertisements, this app. Legit. I've got to get on it. I've got to get on this app, dude, and see what it's all about. Legit, man. I'm just so mad. Oh, yeah, $7,000 you won from an app. Yeah, $10,000 you won from an app. Yeah, I'm sure, bro. Seriously, what is wrong with these developers? Alright, that's enough of Plinko Time. Thanks for watching, everyone. Catch you all in the next video. Check out my channel for more scam videos. See you next time.